How to add second Monopoly Go account. If you are wondering on how to add another account on the Monopoly Go game, then this video is for you. So let's get started. First of all, open the Monopoly Go game. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner right here. Select it. Then tap on to settings option right here. Then tap on to manage account. Then let me remind you one thing, that if you want to have another second Monopoly Go account, then you need to have two Facebook accounts. And by only having two Facebook accounts, you can have the second account. You cannot make two accounts using the same Facebook. So for that, you need to have two Facebook accounts. And if you have connected with the first account, you need to simply disconnect it. And to connect with another Facebook account, add the another Facebook on the Facebook app and then tap on to play with friends. Then tap on it. Then tap on to continue. Then tap on to continue as the Facebook account that you want to make the second one. Just like this. And now you can see you have been connected. And only by doing this, you can add the second Monopoly Go account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.